Here I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 3, and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on that device, and let me show you how to remove and bypass pattern, password, fingerprint or other screen lock method on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's use the tutorial from HardReset.Info. Here you need to download the necessary tool, XIAOMI Device Service Tool. Let's download this tool. Then let's unpack this tool. So here I have my tool, let's unpack this. Let's unpack here, tab OK. Let's open this tool. So here I have my tool. Excellent. Before you use your tool, you need to enter the recovery mode on your device. So let's press power key to switch off your Xiaomi. Choose power off, tap power off again, wait a couple of seconds. And afterwards, let's use the following combination of keys: the power key and volume up. Let's hold down together these two keys. Keep holding both keys. As soon as Mi logo pops up, let's release power key and keep holding volume up. And that's it. This is the Mi recovery mode. Now let's connect your device to your PC. Here I have such a cable. Let me connect my phone. Excellent, the device is connected. So now when your phone is connected to your PC, let's use this Xiaomi Device Service Tool, and here you have to choose pattern password remove, the following option right here. Let's choose it. Here I've got the information about this. Let's just wait. Press any key to continue on your keyboard. And now let's press power key to quit this mode. When your device goes black, let's release power key. The device is restarting. You can disconnect your device from your PC. You may also close the service tool. Do not interrupt while the process is running, let's just wait for the welcome panel. Excellent, as you can see, the welcome panel of MIUI just pops up. So it means that the hard reset operation is done. As you can see, there is no pattern or a password, so you can start easily activate your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.